Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my curls because y'all can see my hair right now. So I'm not going to make this intro too long. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Today I wet my hair and I didn't put any product on it, so it's kind of like dry. But I just wanted to show y'all how I refreshen my curls from this to what you're going to see at the end. So I'm going to take this down. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. Woo! I'm gonna put one side up. I know y'all see these muscles. And then kind of like stretch this part out a little bit. And then split this half in half. Okay, and then this is the part that I'm going to be working on. So for starters, I have my spray bottle. This is literally just water. Then the next thing that I have is some styling cream, and this is from Texture ID, and it's for curly hair, coily hair, wavy hair, all of that. So I'm going to take some water and spray it all over this little section. I actually am going to split this into halves again because my hair needs some TLC. My hair works best when it's like pretty much drenching. Okay, so once it's easy for me to run my fingers through, I'm going to take some of the styling pudding that I have, and I'm just going to run this through my curls. And I do believe that it's time for me to cut my ends again because they feel kind of like hard to run my fingers through. But I feel like I just cut my ends, so I don't really know, y'all. My curls are already coming back to life, which is great. And I'm going to add a little bit more because you can never have too much moisture. My hair typically likes to be really dry, so this is what my curls start to look like. And then after I put that over my hair, I'm going to take some oil. And this is just like peppermint oil and like Jamaican black castor oil, I think. And I'm going to put that over it so it'll lock in the moisture. So that's the LCO method if you are not if you are not aware of that. It's liquid, cream, and then oil. A lot of people do the lock method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. If you do the LCO method, the oil traps in the moisture, so your hair will stay moisturized even longer. And now I'm just going to do the same process to the rest of my hair. Also, y'all, if I sound a little stuffy, it's because as soon as I got home yesterday, I literally was sneezing so much. Like, I was sneezing cats and dogs. And I know it's called raining cats and dogs. But I promise you, it felt like I was sneezing cats and dogs. I was sneezing so much. And so I was really confused because I was like, I don't understand why I'm sneezing so much. I haven't been doing this all day. So I got to my room and I just started sneezing profusely. And I was like, So I had some green tea, tissue rolls beside my bed because my nose was running, and I was like, this is not it. I even slept until about 12 today, and I normally am up at like 10. I will say that I did wake up at 9, and then I went back to sleep because I was so exhausted. I think I just needed to sleep, honestly, but I woke up and I'm still a little stuffy. Before I move on to like the rest of my head, I'm gonna take some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm just gonna put that over this just a little bit because a little bit does go a long way. I'm gonna take about this much and put that all over this little section right here. It's just gonna really seal everything in for me. I'm feeling a lot better. I feel like my body was just tired. Okay, so this is the final product of my hair. Let me fix my shirt. I'm gonna diffuse my hair and put it on the coolest setting so I don't get heat damage, but this is what my hair is looking like so far. I put a little bit of edge control right here and here, but yeah, I think those two products really go good together. My hair likes creams more than like gels, I'm assuming. This is the first time that I've tried these two products together. I just felt like they would be perfect with each other. Like I said before, it's the Texture ID Styling Cream, and then I have the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I really like these two products together. If your hair is somewhat like mine, definitely get these two products because it obviously did wonders to my hair. And don't forget to put the oil over your creams so it can lock everything in. I'm gonna put a little coat of oil over my hair. And now I'm going to diffuse my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished hair look. I don't even know like what other things you want to see. So I'm gonna be doing some singing videos. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video and just be ready for more videos next week. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. So because she put it, yeah, I'm just gonna. All right.